Hopefully we should be getting good shots, but it's like super cold. It's like -5 degrees, I guess. Har Har Mahadev. Guys, it's a bummer. They just put the apples just like that for the show. I really thought I could pluck some real apples. Pajar, and I'm going to take this all the way to Bangalore.
I wish I could take this juice all the way to Dubai.
You can take memories.
Yeah, but I want to have this. It's really good.
The texture of it is like a biscuit or a cookie, but it's a bread. And I like the way the butter, the aftertaste of butter feels in your mouth. It's literally mess. See, this is how it looks. This is super hot, actually. So guys, apparently this bat has been made for the wrestler Khali. Like, he's like super tall. So guys, we are still in Pahalgam, and today we are finishing the remaining sightseeing places. And before we head to that, we found this beautiful place here. It has the snow and the river, and this is right next to our hotel. So we're planning to do some fashion photo shoot here with Priya and me. I'm wearing this long black dress, which you're going to see in the next footage. So this is how this whole place looks. Hopefully we should be getting good shots, but it's like super cold. It's like -5 degrees, I guess. So I'm wearing this pretty backless dress, and we are trying to find a shoot location where there is snow and water. But currently I'm walking in horse shit here. It's super cold, but because it's Piyush, I'm just pushing my limits, and I'm expecting some really gorgeous shots. Yeah, so that's it. I'm just excited. Priya over there? Priya? Can they see my pretty dress?
We are mostly shooting over there, it seems. How is it?
Adventurous. We'll only get to know in 1 hour the post effects of our bravery, risking our lives. So guys, towards my right is the Gauri Shankar mandir here in Pahalgam. So we just did a pit stop here to get the darshan. Obviously I cannot go inside because I cannot remove my shoes. It's really cold and you can see it's snowing. I want Piyush to turn the camera and show how beautiful this temple is. Yeah, this is the first time you're visiting to a temple in ever since we have come to Kashmir. So Piyush and I will just pray from here, and then we will head to our next destination. Har Har Mahadev. So if you're in Kashmir and you have not checked out the apple farms, then you're missing out on something. I know this is not a peak season to check out apple farms, but we found a little farm over here where I could spot few apples. So I want to go check that. Come along with me. ऐसे ही लगा है guys, it's a bummer. Say they just put the apples just like that for the show. I really thought I could pluck some real apples. This is like a kind of a very super touristy on another level. See, I can actually pretentious plucking of apples I can do. ये क्या है? और ये पॉलिथीन कवर्स है ना कुछ
निकलने के लिए इसको पॉलिनेशन रहता है।
वो मैन्योर है क्या इसका?
हाँ, फिर यहाँ ये काटना पड़ता है, इसके बीच में वो पॉलिनेशन लगाते हैं, तो फिर वही पॉलिनेशन आगे बढ़ जाता है।
अच्छा। So guys, all the more reasons for us to come during summer to see Kashmir in full bloom. So I think Kashmir is one place where you can see the proper transition of weathers. Like when we were kids, we used to read like, okay, in spring you'll see all the blossoms, and then in autumn all the leaves will shed, and then in winters everything will be like this, and in summers again there'll be new leaves and new spring season comes, right? So I think we can only see the transition in places like this, not in cities. So I'm definitely going to plan and come in summers. We also spotted few apple chutneys and we are going to do some tasting. Apple pickle.
Apple chutney and also apple walnut jam.
Achha, apple pickle,
Apple
chutney.
apple walnut jam and apple cider vinegar.
I'm a big juice fan. I don't even drink Tetra Pak juice, and here we are in Kashmir. We are having fresh apple juice. I never had apple juice which is fresh. We get this very patla, like water apple juice in Mumbai.
That's
like,
appy. I hate it. Appy juice, no?
yeah, something like apple that we
Like a
get in-
nectar, apple
Yeah,
nectar.
Apple
This is
juice.
actually super fresh.
super fresh.
Even I don't like to drink juices with sugar. Yeah.
This is so tasty. It's like drinking a fresh apple.
Yeah.
And you can feel all the fiber, and it's very fresh. I can drink this all day. Wow.
The taste is so nice. And guys, we have to try pickles here. This is an apple pickle, apple chutney. Piyush, let's try.
Okay. So this is apple pickle. This is apple chutney.
Yeah.
How's it? I'm gonna try the apple chutney because I want to do taste the apple chutney. I'm a chutney guy, so.
But you will love this because I tasted both of this.
I don't know how to describe it. It's like a little bit of this black salt taste to it. But it's really yummy.
Try this. I want you to taste this.
Okay. Apple pickle.
This is nice, no?
Yeah. It's very salty.
I think it's just sweet
It's-
and sour.
yeah, but it's pickle, right? So I don't like pickles that much. But
No, I love pickles. I would
Yeah.
take one this home.
yeah, but if it's pickle, then I'll definitely pick this one.
भाई ये कितना? ये वाला chutney.
You should have the chutney.
This is 200 rupees per jar, and I'm going to take this all the way to Bangalore.
I wish I could take this juice all the way to Mumbai.
You can take memories.
Yeah, but I want to have it. It's really good. By the way, I think by now what we are.
I can't stop eating.
What?
I can't stop eating.
Yeah. You know what? I think we are.
मैं आप ही खा लो ना.
We have been scammed all our life because this apple is really good, and what we eat in cities, it's not even apples by now. You know?
Because they taste the same.
No.
Like they something bland. Like.
Guys, this is really good.
So guys, if you are in Kashmir, there is one thing that you must do is to taste the local Kashmiri bread. And the people who make this authentic Kashmiri bread are known as kandoors. So apparently there are 9 varieties of bread they make, and even the locals do not prefer to make the bread at their homes. They come here and buy from kandoors. So I am one of the shops here, and if you can see, there are approximately 9 varieties of different types of bread. So I'm going to go check out few breads from here.
यहाँ से आता ना
Kandi kulche.
कंदी होता है ये
ये तंदूरी सब है.
Wow, it smells so nice. The texture of it is like a biscuit or a cookie, but it's a bread. And I like the way the butter, the aftertaste of butter feels in your mouth. It literally melts, and definitely going to pack that and take it home. वो कितना भैया?
300 रुपए kg.
So guys, I'm washing my hands so that this bhaiya is teaching me how to make this bread. So hands wash done.
देखो 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 मैं.
See, this is how it looks. This is super hot actually.
ऊपर भी नहीं, ऊपर नहीं.
नीचे? Okay, I hope I'm not ruining this bread.
होगा मैम. देखो 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 मेरी तरफ देखो.
Acha, okay. I'm learning how to eat this Kashmiri bread. So this is a hot chai, and this smells nice. This smells really nice. It's super fresh, fluffy. You can literally see the layers of this Kashmiri bread. It's nice. So guys, this is the first time I'm tasting namkeen chai, which means a salty tea. It's a little salty and buttery, and apparently this is their breakfast, to dip this bread, Kashmir bread, in this and eat. This whole process is changing the taste of this bread, and it's actually tasting better. Love it. This is actually very different. So guys, this entire bread making experience and tasting and chatting with the locals here has been a really interesting experience, and I'm so glad that they're super friendly and they let me shoot these videos. So I'm done with this place and I'm heading back to the next place. Guys, you must have heard about Kashmir willow and American willow. These are the two prominent wood that is used to make the world's best bats, cricket bats. So I am here in this place where the Kashmir willow bats are being made. So Kashmir is famous. Obviously, the name itself says that it's famous for Kashmir willow bats. So I'm going inside the factory to check how these bats are made, and I want to know a little history about it. So guys, I am at this Avanti Pura temple here, and I'm going down and exploring the architecture of the temple. So So this temple was built by the king Avantiraman around 855 AD, and this is dedicated to the Lord Vishnu. This temple is like super spacious, and it's built with small shrines, courtyards, cellular pre-stylings and the imposing of gateways. And this architecture has been preserved, and this is one of the archaeological sites in Kashmir. So if you are here, you must visit this place, and it also gives you the total different vibe of what you have not seen in Kashmir so far. So guys, this is the end of the Pahalgam vlog, and I hope you found it interesting. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also leave a comment if you have any questions. And I also put up my Srinagar vlog and Gulmarg vlog. Don't forget to watch that too. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you should check out the handle Pinkpebble. I make amazing travel, lifestyle and home decor content. And if you are a YouTube subscriber and also following me on Instagram, just drop me a hi. I'll be super happy to have good conversations with you. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye. Welcome to the houseboat. And Priya's already sitting here. Like this, like a royal kind of a feel, you know, you can just sleep. Yeah. It's actually, try sleeping. Try sleeping. Yeah, just try lying down. It feels good, no? So we're going to send some postcards to our families. I prefer to eat with hand, guys. Like it, I'm a South Indian, and it just gives me a different satisfaction to eat with hand.